Today I'm sharing fun, hands-on craft ideas to celebrate the 100th day of school. These projects are visual, simple to prep, and easy to use in real classrooms. You can pause this video at any time and screenshot the steps you want to use. You only need to choose one or two projects. I also have a freebie linked below. For this project, students make a counting chain. First, cut paper into strips. Next, loop and glue the strips. Students count and label each link to 100. This project is a royal crown. Give each student a paper crown template. Decorate with 100 stickers or dots, then tape or staple it to fit. For thumbprint art, students create a picture using fingerprints and paint. Press 100 prints onto paper. The finished picture is colorful and unique. Choose a colorful cereal and string 100 pieces onto yarn. Older students can create patterns. Tie the ends to make a festive necklace. Start with a gumball machine outline. Glue 100 pom-poms inside. Count as each gumball is added for a bright and colorful finished craft. For the Goldfish Bowl, glue 100 goldfish crackers inside a bowl shape. Count as each fish is added until you have a full, fun fish tank. Draw a tree trunk and branches. Add 100 leaves using dots or stickers. The tree fills up as students count all the way to 100. Using 100 blocks or cups, students build anything they want. Encourage creativity and teamwork. Be ready to take pictures of their designs. This project is a 100th day t-shirt. Start with a plain shirt. Students add 100 drawings, dots, or stickers using fabric markers or paint. Shirts can be made at home with families or with help from classroom volunteers. So everyone has one to wear. Prep materials in groups of 100. The goal is fun and memorable learning. Happy 100th day of school. Be sure to click below for your freebie.